We can copy paste those name in the Bandit Wargame main page into the putty command line. Then we can use port number as 2220. Then we can use login username as bandit0 and the password as bandit0. Then we can simply type ls command, that means list out all the files and subdirectories, and then we can use cat command to concatenate the readme file. Now we can see the password for the next level. We use the SSH bandit level 1 at localhost, and we can use the password, and we are now in the first level. Now we can simply type ls command, and we can use cat command again, and dot forward slash and minus sign. Now we can see the password for the next level. We again use SSH bandit level 2 at localhost, now we can copy paste the password in the password field, and now we are in the second level. Now we can use again ls command. Now we can use cat command space, and we can use the double quotes, and we can copy paste the file name, and we can close the double quotes. Then we can see the password for the next level. Again we use SSH bandit level 3 at localhost, we can copy paste the password, now we are in level 3. We can use ls command, then we can use cd command to change the current working directory as in here and forward slash, then we are inside the in here directory, and we can use ls command again, ls minus a command, and we can see the password contained in file as .hidden file, that means this file is in hidden. Then we can use cat command and .hidden, then we can see the password for the next level. We again use SSH bandit level 4 at localhost, Then we can use the password as we earlier find out and copy paste. Now we are in the fourth level, and we can then use ls command, and we can use cd command to change the current working directory as in here. Then we can use ls command, then we can use file command and dot forward slash minus file and asterisk mark for the find the uh, file that contain the password. Then we can see the file 07 contain the ASCII text file. Then we can use cat command and dot forward slash minus file 07 to concatenate the file 07, and we can see the password for the next level. Then we can use backward slash cd command to change current working directory to the previous working directory. Then we can use again ssh bandit level 5 at localhost. Then we can use the password and copy paste it in the password field. Now we are in level 5, and now we can use ls command again. Then we can use cd command to change the current working directory, and again we can use ls command. Now we can see the many files, and if we want to find the correct file that contain the password file, then we can use find command to find the correct file and dot space type as the f, that means the file, and the size is 1033 bytes, and we can use not sign and minus executable. Then Then we can see the file path that contain the password folder. Then we can use cat command, and we can copy paste the file path that contain the password. Now we can see the password. Then we can use backward slash and cd command to go to previous folder or go backward. Then we can use again ssh bandit level 6 at localhost. Then we can copy paste the password. Then we can use the ls command again, and the find command forward slash and bandit 7 space minus group bandit 6 space size is 33 bytes and the type is file type, and use special characters, that means 2 greater than sign and forward slash, then give forward slash and null. Now we can see the file path that contain the password file. Then we can use cat command, and simply we can copy paste the file path into the in front of the cat command. Now we can see the password for the next level. Now we use again ssh bandit level 7 at localhost. Now we can copy paste the password. Now we are in the 7th level, and we can again use ls command, and we can use grep command and billionth space data.txt. Then we can see the password for the next level. Now again we can use ssh bandit 8 at localhost. Then we can copy paste the password that we found out. Now we are in 8th level. Again simply we can type the ls command, and we can use sort command Then we can use data.txt space bitwise sign, then unique command -c, again bitwise sign, and grep command. Now we can see the password without the 1. We can use SSH Bandit level 9 at localhost. We can copy paste the password without the 1. Then we are in 9th level. Simply again we can use ls command to list out all the files and subdirectories. Then we can use strings command space data.txt space again bitwise sign, and space grep command, and we can use simply equal sign to find the password for the next level, and we can see the password for the next level, and simply again type the SSH and Bandit level 10 at localhost. We can copy the password and paste it in the password field. Now we are in 10th level. Now we can again simply type ls command to list out all the files and subdirectories. Then we can use cat command space data.txt Now we can see the uh, encrypted code, and we want to decrypt the code. We use base 64 space -d, that means decryption. Base 64 means encryption and decryption method, and space data.txt, and we can now see the password. The password is this one, and we again use the SSH Bandit level 11 at localhost to go to next level. Then we can copy the password and paste it in the password field. Now we are in 11th level in the Bandit Wargame. Again we can use ls command. Then we can use cat command. Now we can use alias root13 equal, we can open the single quote and we can use tr command, then space a minus z a minus z space n minus za minus m n minus za minus m. Then we can use again cat command and data.txt space bitwise sign and root13. Root13 means encryption and decryption method, that means the Caesar cipher method for encrypt the data. And now we can see the password. Then again we can use SSH Bandit 12 at localhost then we can copy paste the password and now we are in 20th level. Now we can use ls command then we can use mkdir, that means make a new directory space tmp / pc 1 and now we can copy the data.txt to pc1 directory. We can use cp command space data.txt space /tmp /pc1. Now we can use cd command to change the current working directory as pc1. Then we can use the ls command. Then we can use ls command